everybody on the streets. Another venue shuts their doors, another donor gets their seat. You can't see it in the papers, they turn us on ourselves as a means to an agenda. Hollow lies on bottom shelves spill onto your neighbour's coffee tables, and the seeds are spread, and the poorest always suffer in this sea of tangled thread. Ring a division bell for anybody listening. Like a riverbed, try to incite a culture warning, keep the target off their head. But there's only so much racing to the bottom we can do, till it becomes as clear as day they were in the